Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 from ncert textbook class 10th, and the name of the chapter is chemical reaction and equation. What is basically a chemical reaction? It is any chemical change. What is a chemical change? Basically change in nature and identity, or we can say state of a substance. Okay, so okay. So basically, whenever a chemical change occurs, it is referred to as a chemical reaction takes place. What is chemical reaction? State or color or temperature of the substance changes. Like burning of a magnesium ribbon and collecting magnesium oxide from the residue is a example of a chemical reaction occurring in the environment. So basically, there are some important definition from this part we are going to discuss. Okay, what is a chemical reaction? Any change that alters the chemical properties of a substance. For example, reaction when magnesium reacts with air or oxygen, we can say, producing magnesium oxide. So every chemical reaction has a representation, that is word equation. What is word equation? Easy representation of a chemical reaction with the help of words instead of chemical formula. Obviously, it is generally used to make the concept easy. Okay, example is magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide, right? So, what is a chemical equation? Now, obviously, we have discussed chemical reaction and word equation. So, it is important to discuss a chemical equation also. Representation of a chemical, e- uh, chemical is written twice. Chemical reaction with the help of or use of chemical formula. Obviously, it is a chemical equation, so we have to use chemical formula. And when it was a word equation, we used words, right? So, in chemical equation, example, we have 2 Mg plus water gives 2 MgO. And now, obviously, if we are going to discuss about a chemical equation, so we need to discuss what are reactant and product. I know it is a very simple concept and you might have studied it earlier. So reactant are the substances that undergo chemical reaction and are referred to as reactants. I have highlighted in this reaction magnesium and oxygen are the reactants. What are products? The new substances formed during or as a result of the chemical reaction are referred to as product. Here, magnesium oxide is the product. What is a balanced chemical equation? Balanced chemical equation is the equation in which number of atoms on the product reactant side is equal to the number of product side, because the law of conservation of mass states that the mass of atoms on the reactant has to be equal to the mass of atoms on the product side, because mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. So this is a balanced chemical equation. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. And what is next? A skeletal equation. An unbalanced chemical equation is referred to as skeletal equation. This is the easier definition from this chapter, that is Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. What writing a chemical equation? Why is it necessary to write a chemical equation? Use of chemical formula instead of words makes a chemical equation more concise and useful. So it is necessary. How to balance a chemical equation? According to the law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed, as already discussed. In other words, the number of atoms of each element remains same before and after a chemical reaction. So we need to balance a skeletal chemical equation. How to balance? Now here we have a reaction, that is zinc plus sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. So we have written the chemical equation from the given word equation. So now let's calculate the number of atoms here on the reactant side, then on the product side. So first we have zinc. Zinc here is 1 and here also it is 1, so it is correct. Then hydrogen we have 2, here also 2, done, fine it is. Then sulfur, it is 1 on both sides. Then oxygen, it is 4 on both sides. Hence this chemical equation is balanced. Now let's discuss here in this equation. Okay, I'll show you how to balance, so it is easy to understand for you guys. Now what we have done here, here is the equation. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So in the original state we have the number of atoms as 1 for Fe on the reactant side and 3 for Fe on the product side. Hydrogen we have 2 here, and here we have sorry, we need to remove this. I have done this after balancing now. Okay, this was the equation given. So here hydrogen is 2, oxygen here we have 1, and here we have 4. So basically we'll go for the easier ones. Here we have 3, then we can multiply 1 with 3 and easily get 3. So Fe here 3, 3 Fe. Fe got balanced. Now we'll move to oxygen. When we balance oxygen, 4 and 1, so multiplying 1 with 4 we get 4. So here we'll do 4. Now when we have multiplied it with 4 we get 4H2, means 8 atoms of hydrogen. So cancelling 2 and writing 8, and now we need to balance this and put it 8. Okay, so how we'll do it, we'll multiply 2 with 4 getting it 8, right? Now the number of atoms on both reactant side and product side are equal, so it is a balanced chemical equation. Hope the concept is clear. If you have any doubt you can put them in the comment section. I'll try to answer your queries. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.